Hello, this is Hasba with WTI.
This gloss is honestly perfect for my brown nude lip combos. This one's the NYX Butter Gloss in Madeline, and it pulls everything together and gives that elegant but still modern finish that I love. I have two swatches here, and as you can see, it looks beautiful on my skin tone. It's super easy to apply, and the texture is amazing. It's non-sticky, very smooth, and comfortable on the lips. The applicator is also a breeze. It glides on evenly, it picks up a lot of product, and you don't have to keep dipping back in. With just one dip, it's enough. And I usually wear one layer for a soft polished look or build it up multiple layers without it feeling it heavy. And it truly goes with any look, full glam, daytime or nighttime. So if you love brown and nude lip combos, this one is definitely a must.
And that's just my point of view.